Hey everyone, welcome back to Guru Design Lab. I am Guru and today we are modeling this triangular link flange from exercise 33 in SOLIDWORks. We will look how to set up symmetric layout and create a hollow center step by step. Let's get right into SOLIDWORks and then we will start. So first you need to close this exercise and then we will start from a sketch. Close this exercise and select a part and then OK. Then go to plane and take any plane like front plane, top plane, right plane. Select any plane. Select top line and then a sketch. First you need to draw some reference line, select center line and sketch it and then go to center line and select midpoint line and select this line. Select midpoint line, select for construction and then start from here. Select for construction and midpoint line and select. Go to sketch tab and select circle. Create two circles at here and here. First we go to a smart dimension and measure this line from here to here. This is 65 mm and this is also 65 mm. Select this line and measure it for 112 mm and go to smart dimension and measure this circle as 44 mm and this is 70 mm. This is 44 mm and this is 70 mm. To sketch tab and select line and draw a line from here to here. Select OK. Then go to offset entities and offset this entities and that parameter is 15 mm. Then OK. And then go to trim entities and select power trim and trim all the entities which is not required. Trim this all entities. This is complete and this is sketch is complete and then go to features tab and select extrude boss face and select this region and extrude it up to 20 mm then select OK. You can see here how it will look and the very easy steps to follow. Then we go to appearance tab, select this entities, select any color. OK. select this face and go to appearance tab and select any color like yellow and select this. And that completes exercise 33 in SolidWorks. If this tutorial helped you master symmetric layouts, please give a like and don't forget to subscribe to Guru Design Lab for more regular exercises. Leave any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I am Guru and I will see you in the next time. Thank you guys.